Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tagry X08 true wireless earbuds. So guys, just a heads up, Tagry did send these out to me to try out, so big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. All right guys, so this is the box they come in. We've got some Tagry branding up top, X08 true wireless earbuds. As you can see, we've got the buds here front and center. On the side here, we've got built-in mic, smart touch control, and IPX5 waterproofing. And on this side, so the case has wireless charging, so that's pretty dope. And we've got LED power display, and we got a portable charging case. And just some features here on the back. We've got a transmission range of 33 feet. Again, waterproof IPX5. We've got about 6 hours of playback on a single charge. And we've got support for iOS, Android, and Windows, tablets and smartphones. And we've got a standby time of 60 hours. So that's pretty dope. Let's open these up. All right, so right out of the gate, we've got the user manual with a lifetime warranty, it says, so that's pretty dope. Here is the case. We'll take a look at that in a sec. That blue looks sick though. See what else we get in the box. Got your charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. And we got extra ear tips. I won't open them up, but I'm sure a small is in here and a large. Mediums are usually installed from the factory. Mediums usually fit me the best. You're gonna want to test them all out to see which one fits you the best so you get the best fit and sound. Yeah, this blue colorway looks sick, guys, but this thing comes in a few different other colorways. Let's bring up Amazon real quick. On the front page here, we've got the black colorway, but we've got forest green, ocean blue. Looks like that's what we have, ocean blue. We've got a phantom purple. We've got pink. We've got regular purple. We've got sunset pink and white. So a lot of different options, guys, and it's coming in right around 35 bucks. So guys, it's made out of hard plastic. Again, it's blue and it's kind of like a blue matte finish. Here is the USB-C port on the bottom here for charging. And again, this case is wireless charge, or can charge wirelessly. And again, we have, hopefully the camera picks that up, but that is the battery indicator. It says we've got 99, and that is what they look like, guys. Got a white interior, very nice. Here are the earbuds, guys. And we got a nice flat spot to handle the controls. At the bottom, we've got your charging pins with an indicator. This one says right. That's really cool. I really like the details like that because it just makes them feel more premium to me. And again, this side has left. So really cool. And let's try them on. And that is how they look, guys. The stem is on the longer side. And just to compare, this is how, so just to compare against the AirPods, the case is just a tiny bit bigger, but it shouldn't be a problem if you are carrying these in your pants pockets. Even if you are rocking slims or skinny jeans, you should be fine. So the case is magnetized, so let's see how well they hold in the buds. Yo, I can hear them shake, but there it is. Yep, just the left one, the left bud is sliding out, but for the most part they hold them in pretty well. If the lid is closed, it's got a nice snap to it. And if the lid is closed, I don't think they're gonna pop out or anything like that. So there you have it. Let's pair them up. Open the case, found them, X08. Hit connect, and we are connected. Super easy, guys. All right, let's see what we got here for music. Got Still Dre. Okay. Okay. That's about it. Just okay. The vocals are nice, but the bass isn't what I like. I mean, there's some bass there, but it's not like, how do you explain it? It feels like it doesn't bump, right? You can hear and feel the bass, but it doesn't bump. So this one is like when your speaker system's like cold and they haven't warmed up yet, and it just feels like the bass is tight. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to explain, but yeah, that's how these sound. And I don't know, for 35 bucks, I was expecting it to sound much better. I mean, they said that these have 13mm drivers. Normally when you got drivers in that size, normally it sounds good and it has a lot of bass, but this doesn't have that. This does not have that. You can get yourself something like Tozo. These are the A1s, A1 Mini. They're like under 20 bucks. Sometimes you can find them for like 15. And these bad boys sound much better. Or you can get the Tozo T6. These are coming in at like 26 bucks. There's like, when I last checked, there was a $6 coupon, so you're gonna get these for 20 bucks. And these bad boys are awesome. These sound excellent. It's one of the first earbuds that I reviewed on the channel, and they still sound great to this day. It's been what, like 3 years now? So, man, on the X08, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pass on these. Sure, they got some bling. You've got the battery indicator there, but it's just not enough for me to be able to recommend this just for that. I'm gonna have to say pass on these. Look for other options. You've got these bad boys for $5 more, and these are excellent as well. But if you're looking to spend like 20 bucks, under 30 bucks, Tozo T6, man, these bad boys sound awesome.